Hello people, I'm Bharat Acharya. Welcome to our new lecture. What are we learning today? The pin diagram of 8086. Yes, all the 40 pins with full detailed explanation along with circuit diagrams so that the concept gets registered in your head. You're not going to memorize so much. You memorize something, you forget it in 2 days. You understand it, you own the topic. Like always, like in every lecture that we've done, I'll make you understand with full concept wherever circuit diagrams are applicable, wherever real world examples are applicable, so that you understand all these 40 pins. Now what happens when you know all these 40 pins? You practically have your foot in every theory topic of 8086. So I want you to watch this video at 2 times. Definitely before you go for your VIVA. This is your hot favorite topic for VIVAs. Pins and instructions are the most likely questions you get in VIVAs. You'll see it for yourself when your exam happens. Also, the day before your main final exam, see to it that you watch this video because this one single video revises all of 8086 for you. Are you clear? Now, you want to learn this whole video, you want to learn all of 8086 with real world examples and enjoy learning it the way it's supposed to be learned. Come on my website, bharatacharyaeducation.com. The link is given down below. Click on the link, register yourself as a user. You will see lots of courses that I teach. Select the course of 8086, click subscribe. As soon as you make the payment, the course becomes active for you. Your subscription remains active for 6 months. You can watch all of those 60 plus videos of 8086 as many times as you like. Along with every video, you get a PDF. Yes, a full detailed PDF which keeps getting updated all the time. In those PDFs, I've put all the theory I want you to write in the exam. Understanding a topic is one thing, knowing what to write in the exam is a separate thing altogether. So both ways, you covered, you watch the video, you understand the concept. From the PDF, you prepare your exam answers. Plus you get a PDF of VIVA questions, plus you get a PDF of MCQs. Correct. The new modern pattern of examination, which is so good, where by-hearting doesn't work. If you understood a concept only, then you can solve those tricky MCQ questions. So I keep updating all of them. Plus, you get a certification. And most importantly, you get direct access to me. This is my WhatsApp number. Whenever you have a doubt, text me on WhatsApp. As soon as I'm available, I'll definitely reply. Alright? Hope to see you there. Wish you all the best. Do well. 8086 get the clock.